Mahanadi Time Media Productions. Today we are in Head Post Office, Sambalpur, and it is the premises of Head Post Office. And now we are in the site of Philatelic Bureau, and it's a new office opened on 21st January 2021 by our Honorable MP Nitish Gangadev ji and Sri Latendu Pradhan ji, the Postmaster General of Sambalpur. And this is the most important office. They are providing the excellent service to the people, and it's a new service. So let the people should know. Basically, it is meant for the students also, those who are preparing different type of project on post and concern matter. They can take help of this Philatelic Bureau. This Philatelic Bureau is very nicely been decorated, and one officers also there inside. Let we go inside and talk with the officer concerned and asking about the details of the office, what this bureau is doing. This is very nicely been decorated. You see different type of cards, and it is very dynamic way they have displayed. And this is the cards you see, so nicely been decorated by this department. This Philatelic Bureau is governed by Department of Post and Telegraphs, you see. And to know more, let we discuss and talk with the officer concerned, who is the in charge of this Philatelic Bureau, one Mr. Gaurav Sethji here. Let we discuss with him and ask about the utility of this particular Philatelic Bureau in our day-to-day life, and which way they are helping the students and as a large common man. Mr. Seth is here. Let me ask him. Sir, once again you are welcome to Mahanadi Time Media Productions. Sir, please tell us something about this Philatelic Bureau. What is it? You may speak in English or Hindi, sir.
See, Philatelic Bureau was inaugurated on 16th of January 2021.
21st of January it is written?
No, 16th January. 16th January 2021. And since then we are providing lots of services, like we are dealing with special covers, first day covers, community postage stamps, with
and what other service you are giving?
Other services means it includes opening of accounts, philatelic deposit account, through which the customers can get their stamps at their home by recharging their accounts. And time to time they can avail each new stamps, first day covers, brochures that are coming to our bureau. We are supplying them timely.
Okay, sir. That means you are preparing stamps for the, suppose some students came to you and asking for preparation of a stamp, then you prepare the stamp.
No, we are not preparing the stamp. Actually, there is already the pre-prepared stamps are there. Stamp sheets are there.
You can affix the photo of the students or parents.
Likewise, this is called. Can you show this? This is my stamp sheet. Okay. There is vacant space over here.
Yes.
Okay. If someone interested in printing on my stamp, then he can provide his soft copy of a photograph. Okay. Then we put it in a printer, and with our software we can print out the my stamp sheet.
Very nice dynamic service you are giving, sir. Thing is that how much you are charging for it? Suppose I have placed a order right now, and given one photograph. So what should be the mode of payment, and how can I print it, sir?
Okay. See, it differs from sheet to sheet.
In that particular sheet, suppose I want to print.
Suppose this sheet cost 300. Okay. There is another sheet that is called my rose sheet. That is 500.
So different rate are there.
Different rates are there.
No, only it is different means that is 300, 500 or any other rate also there.
There is only 300 and 500. Okay.
So I suppose I will provide one of my photographs, and you can print that particular photographs.
Yes.
If I pay 300 rupees in that particular sheet, And
Yes.
if I pay 500 rupees, that will be printed in that row sheet.
There are all different categories of
Yeah.
sheets available.
Right.
Themes like happy retirement, happy birthday,
Yeah.
and wedding wishes,
Order and wishes.
Roj, Konark.
For any purpose, celebration, you are providing that
As
service.
required and desired by the customer, the
Customers.
service is provided.
Sir, can you say how many districts having this facility in our Odisha? I think it is.
See, there was previously only 2 philatelic bureau in Odisha.
Yeah.
And
This is second one, I think.
this is the third one actually.
Third one. First one is Bhubaneswar
First one is Bhubaneswar, Cuttack,
and Sambalpur.
Sambalpur.
Yeah. And I think it is the first one in Odisha, Western Odisha.
This is the first philatelic bureau in Western Odisha.
What other service you are giving, sir? You say one money transferring something you told me earlier.
Money transfer. No. See, customers, those are outside our regions.
Yeah.
Outside region means outside our
Jurisdictions.
Sambalpur.
Yeah.
Sambalpur area.
Yeah.
They can send money order in the name of the postmaster. And the
For printing of this card.
no, not only for this. For this, is there any new special cover released or first day cover?
Yeah.
If they want, then or stamps they want,
Yeah.
then they can directly send money.
Sir, what charge you were taking for this printing of covers?
See, printing of cover, we are not printing the covers.
Yeah.
It is actually released. Special cover is something that is on any event or any special occasion.
Yeah.
It is printed by the proponent.
Yeah.
And special cover is released on that day, and then it is there for each and every customer for sale purpose.
Sir, what at last I would like to know is, sir, what you want to say to the students basically, because it is most concerned with the students.
Yes,
What you want to say them, sir? It is a medium, and through this medium, what you want to say, sir, to students?
See, today postal department is very vast department, as you know, and we are dealing with all types of services like banking sector to mail services and these stamps, philatelic.
Yeah.
Okay, then they should come and visit, that they can know the history, every geographical and every event or our defense system.
Sir, you are providing. Are you providing stamps of any other country?
No. We only India Post is only for Indian stamps.
Is there any other facilities here to collect the stamps from other countries?
No, sir,
Used
no.
stamp, already
No,
used
no,
stamps?
no.
That service is not there. I think that is in the Bhubaneswar, I think. Suppose some students that they are preparing project work like that. So if they want such type of stamp, is this office provide that facilities?
No, sir.
No. Okay, sir. Thank you very much once again on behalf of Mahanadi Times Media Productions. In fact, we find that it is a very much important department and bureau for the betterment and for the information of the general public as a whole. Basically it is for the students, those who want to prepare their project basically on Indian stamps and all this. And this is one new idea and new thoughts of the department. Thank you very much, sir,
Welcome.
for this dynamic service. Thank you very much.
Welcome.